Hello students, welcome to the second episode of chapter 1 Resources and Development. In this video, I have covered two important resources which is very much required for our economic development, that is land and soil. Before you are going to watch this video, first subscribe my channel, give your likes and pass your comment. Now can we start?
We live on land, we perform our economic activities on land, and we use it in different ways. Thus, land is a natural resource of utmost importance. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport and communication system. However, land is an asset of a finite magnitude. Now we'll see in India land under important relief features, which is stated in this pie chart. 43% of the land covered by plains, 30% mountains, 27% plateaus. Now, how the land is utilized in India? Land is utilized in 5 different ways: wasteland, fallow land, forest land, uncultivated land, pastures and other grazing lands. And how the land is used in what pattern. In India, use of land is determined by both physical factors such as topography, climate, soil type, as well as human factor such as population density, technological capability, and culture and traditions. In this way, land use pattern is determined both physical as well as human factors. We have shared our land with the past generations and will have to do so with the future generations too. 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter and clothing are obtained from land. Human activities have not only brought about degradation of land but have also aggravated the pace of natural forces to cause damage to land. Here you have a question: describe the causes for the land degradation. The land degradation happens mainly because of soil erosion caused by running water and wind, dumping of waste material, and over irrigation, overgrazing, wastewater from the industrial units, mineral processing like grinding of limestone for cement industry and calcite, and soapstone for ceramic industry creates a lot of dust. So these are all the major causes for the land degradation. So for every problem there is a solution. Here you have a solution: land conservation. Here the question is, suggest some measures to conserve land resources. Land conservation measures. Soil erosion can be prevented by ending deforestation, controlling grazing, encouraging afforestation, and practicing terrace farming in hilly areas. Preparation of shelter beds of plants and stabilizing of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes will help to prevent land degradation in deserts. Mining activities should be controlled. New technology which reduces wastage can be adopted. Industrial waste should be chemically treated to remove the harmful substances. Urban waste should be used for the production of biogas and biomanure. Over irrigation should be stopped and new method of irrigation should be followed. Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. It is the medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms on the earth. On the basis of the factors responsible for soil formation: color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties, the soils of India can be classified in different types. India has varied relief features, landforms, climatic realms and vegetation types. These have contributed in the development of various types of soils. Here we have 6 different types of soils available in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. In connection with this, you have to observe the map and you have map activity also, and this map activity will be tested in the form of identification part. 6 soils and its characteristics are mentioned here. You may expect under differentiate between, or you may expect as an individual question also about a soil. Here I have given in the form of different points. So you will be tested for 3 marks 5 marks also. Soil degradation and soil conservation. How the soil degrades? The soil degrades due to soil erosion. What are the factors creates the soil erosion? One is natural processes, another one is human activities. Under natural processes, water and wind. Under human activities, overcropping, overgrazing and deforestation. Here are the two important soil erosion. One is sheet erosion, another one is gully erosion. Now we have to give some suggestion for the soil conservation. Here are the soil conservation techniques through the way of contour plowing, terracing, no-till farming and cover cropping. These are all the ways which we can conserve our soil. Apart from the regular questions, you have certain activity based preparation also. Here in your textbook, Rio de Janeiro Summit and Agenda 21 is given that you have to prepare. Pie chart for the land resources, two different pie charts are given. And third one, map activity for identification. Fourth one, state of India's environment, which is given in the last, that is after the end of the chapter, a detail is given. You have to preparation in the sense just to go through for the comprehension assessment. Then fifth one, under the resources part, you have Shoemaker book small is beautiful. That content also you have to focus. These activity based part, you just go through it. You will be assessed for 1 mark or sometimes you will be assessed for the comprehension part. Necessarily not that you have to by heart all this. Just to go through for the assessment.